Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. In this video, I'll show you how to install edge banding on a piece of MDF or plywood. Step 1, you'll need to purchase the right edge banding that matches your project. I'll be using this 3/4 inch wide white edge banding that is left over from another project, along with my sample board right here. I used it for my under the sink cabinet, which you can check out in the cards right here. And you'll need to borrow an iron from your wife. Step 2, measure out the length that you'll require for your edge. It doesn't hurt to leave a little extra, so you can trim it after application. It's very easy to bend and tear to where you don't even need a knife to cut it. Step 3, turn on your iron and let it heat up. Position it flush with the edge like this, and then carefully take your iron and start applying heat and move it first to this edge and then slowly start moving it this way. It's probably a good idea to practice if this is your first time doing it on a small sample piece. That way you kind of get the hang of it. The way this works, the edge banding has hot glue on the back side, which the iron melts it and makes it adhere to the surface of the board. Slowly proceed all the way down with the iron to make sure it adheres properly, like that. If necessary, take a razor blade and trim the edge, just like that. And you're all set. You get a nice clean edge. So give that like button and don't forget to subscribe.